this chamber did.
Let me see it. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Good thing I had my tourniquet on. Huh?
That's a damn good tourniquet too.
Go!
Okay, here we go. Alright, before you ask, yes, you will see how I gave this regretful shot in this video. But until we get to that part, this is some team deathmatch at Foxhole. Oh shit, he's looking at us. On the far end of the ridge. Now I'm going to make my way up to one of my favorite barriers on this field. This black barrier gives great cover while I can still see everything around me. Ah, fuck. You know what, fuck it. Going through the crack. And at this point, a teammate decides to give me a heart attack. Oh shit. That scared the shit out of me. Oh shit, there's one right here. I don't see any more enemies through the angles this barrier is giving me, so I'm going to move up to get a better firing position. There's two moving left. I'm gonna follow them so they don't surprise my teammates on the left. They can handle the second guy, so I'm gonna head back over to the right. I see an enemy across from me that looks like he's trying to sneak around my team. This spot isn't as good as I planned it would be, so I'm going to head back and find a different angle for these guys. They're all down, but I didn't see the one that was trying to sneak around before, so I bet he's trying to do it again. So it's time to find him. He's most likely behind us already. Safety. I forgot you were even playing. I got him, but that wasn't the one I was looking for. I'm too late and I hear him shooting my teammates. Son of a bitch, I was going for him.
Walking back to respawn all the time is killing me.
Make you our mobile respawn.
Saved me about 100 miles.
Okay. He's moving fast, so I'm going to let my teammates on the left take care of him.
Tombstone, right, left of the red car. hard.
He flipped me off.
Yep.
Truck.
Two behind the tombstone.
And this is where it happened.
What? They're double teaming it.
Holy shit.
I'm stuck.
Oh god, it's even worse in slow motion. But there's no hard feelings, and he took it like a champ. And look how happy he is.
They're double teaming the shit out of me.
Oh, one's rushing right.
Is he?
Yeah. Oh fuck. He is rushing hard.
Okay, so at the time I might have made him a little upset because he's now coming back for some revenge. He rushes and takes out my whole team in front of me. Now that the bull's down, I'm going to try to get in this bunker in front of me. I see an enemy on the other side.
Maybe. Safety.
Nice one.
Alright, that's all I got for this one, guys. Again, there was no hard feelings there. I play with him all the time. He's a great guy. But a little bit of foreshadowing for the future. What goes around comes back around.